Hi, in this tutorial I will install the Laravel Artisan extension. Okay, I am going to the extension section, then I will write Laravel Artisan. You will see that the Laravel Artisan, this one, I will install it. This is going to be installed. After installing this extension, in order to use it, you have to go to the view, then command palette. You will see that all the artisan commands are here: artisan cache table, artisan cache config clear, etc. Right? If you want to create controller, if you want to create the migration, everything you can create from here using the artisan command. Normally what happens when we go to a Laravel folder, this is Laravel test folder, and I am going to open the CMD here, command prompt here. Okay, so what happens when we want to clear the cache of Laravel, then we use the artisan command, php artisan, then cache clear. Okay, then you see that the application cache is cleared. But using the editor we can do the same thing. As the folder Laravel test is opened here, we can run the artisan command. We can go to view, command palette, or we can press the Ctrl Shift P. Okay, Ctrl Shift P from here, and here you will see that the cache config cache clear, etc. here, artisan cache clear, this one. Okay, just click here, it will tell you to enter to confirm your input. Okay, so I will press enter. Should I clear the specific tags? Again press enter. You'll see that the cache was cleared and a notification comes here. Okay, if you want to create a controller, you can also do it from the command palette. Suppose this is our app, then http, then controllers. There is no user defined controllers, so we are going to create our own controller here. Ctrl Shift P, here search controller, you see that artisan make controller. Click here, it is asking you to give the name of the controller, so give it a name, suppose student controller, then press enter. What type of controller is this? If you want to make normal basic controller, you can do it. If you want to create the resource controller, you can do it. If you want to create the API controller, you also can do it. Suppose we want to create a resource controller, so select it. Should this reference a model? If you want to reference the model of this controller, you can also do it. I am going to press no right now. You see that the student controller creates here, and as this is a resource controller, you see that all the functions are already created here. Okay, so this is the benefit, that you do not need to write all the codes here. You just doing everything using the user interface. So I hope this can help you a lot. Thank you.